got waste management. This is what
Excellent.
They have on this side.
Check out this gorgeous home out here in Apache Junction. And can you imagine coming home to this view? What an awesome, awesome place. Woohoo! There's the happy couple getting to walk into their new home. Woohoo! Here we go. Their first time to open their door. They're super excited. And here we go. Look how cute they are. Check this out. Look at the view from their living room. Isn't this great? Love it, love it, love it, love it.
Sorry, we have to vent.